it's Katie. Today we are on our way to a fun little waterfall. I haven't ever been to it, but my dad is taking the girls and I to this waterfall. It's not too far out of town. It's just 30 minutes, hour out of town, and you can walk right up to it, and supposedly you can walk around behind it like Mermaid Lagoon or something, according to my 6-year-old. So we're gonna go check out this waterfall, and just kind of wanted to share our little adventure with you. Well, we have arrived in the little community, and we are en route to the waterfall, and it's probably about 15 degrees cooler here than it is where our little town is. So we're off on our grand adventure. We're almost there. Okay, here. How was the drive?
Good.
Good. You ready to go explore some waterfalls?
Yeah.
Is it cold? Well, we found the waterfall, and it's nice and cold. You ready for a swim?
No.
No, chilly. So now we're gonna go find some more water, I guess. Okay, so we're at the Overlook here, and I guess the falls that we saw is kind of an offshoot off of this larger river, which we won't be going down because apparently it's closed for diving. Although my 2-year-old's pretty sure she could probably do it, and maybe the 6-year-old too. But this is sort of the end of the trail, but we're gonna go back to the waterfall and explore a little bit more. And next time I come, I'm bringing towels and water shoes for everyone. Water, is it pretty? Can you say hi? All done. We hiked down to the falls and then to the viewpoint, and we've rinsed off the shoes and the feet, and both girls are ready for snack. Oh, and we saw a snake, so that was kind of exciting. Fortunately, it was a little ways away. But that's about it. We're gonna hop back in the car and head back home. So thank you so much for watching our short little video and for joining us on our adventure. Maybe we'll do this again. There's all kinds of places in beautiful Northern California, so hopefully we'll do this again soon. Bye!